And this is extension for the vacuum. So it's on the first mode. Filter comes out from the back filter. Something else is there. I will show you guys like if something is wrong or not. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So today I got this Fanttick vacuum cleaner for the car, or like a small compact vacuum cleaner. So now we will do opening and see how this product is. So the packing looks good. It has tons of extensions and stuff like that. So we will just open and see how it works. Packing is pretty strong, looks good, nice, and there is tons of stuff inside it. The first packing we open is I think this is extension for the vacuum. This is small brush, looks good. This is the charger cable for the vacuum, and this is type C. Nowadays we only get type C. So this is the main part for the vacuum for doing for the carpet. I think this is the bag for keeping all the product together. If you don't want to keep all the box, bag looks good. So now it's the main part, like vacuum. Let's open and see. It looks small. I don't know how powerful it will be. We will be just testing it right now in a few seconds. So this is the last thing in the box, and what it is might be the pipe in front of the vacuum, I guess. Yeah. So now we will check if we have some charge in this. Otherwise we will charge and then use the vacuum and show you guys how it works or not. So for turning it on, you have to press this and hold it for like 2 or 3 seconds. Then it shows on the screen on the top battery, and then this is the first mode, and when you press once again it's a second mode. It goes a little bit more power, so it is powerful. So it's on the first mode, and on the full mode is like this. It is pretty good. Like I did put my hand in front of it. It looks pretty good. So now we will be testing it in the car, and then we will see. Okay, for cleaning it, we can pull the filter from the back. So filter comes out, you can clean from the back filter, and it does open from the front if you just want to take out all the dust from it. So you can just take out all the dust and garbage from this side. So these extensions are used as the blower at the back of the vacuum. So this is blower and vacuum both together. So we will add one extension and show you how it works. So here you go. It does blow a pretty good amount of air out of it. So I think it is pretty good quality. So if something is wrong, then I will let you know. So for so far now, the quality looks really good. I will be using it for a few days, and then I will show. I will, if something else is there, I will show you guys like if something is wrong or not. Otherwise, the quality looks good. Thank you for watching the video. If you guys did enjoy the video, do subscribe the channel, like and share the video.